Welcome to the Leading Site News.
Sominder Varmon Arani Pachetondunsi, North Western Forest Range Parkup Lapen, Rongagora KSA Branch Atum Chelangsi, Sominder Varmon Arani Kepamanpo. Pinini Paipo, Trok Surini Rainkorapo, Arni, North Western Forest Range Parkup Lapen Rongagora, KSA Branch Atum Chelang Petpen, Beat Plastic Pollution to Alam ATP and Ponsi, Sominder Varmon Arani Mesen Pen Pachunpa. Lapen Anparta, All Assam Youth Atumafan, Anparta Arlok Along, Kiturmi, Uwe, Mi Atumafan. Akang Tui Angdeng An Kengkam, Kepachi Jordan, Hek Jia Panpura, Northwestern Forest Range, Parkup, Ranger, Chingbai Ronghang Ahin Pen Matha Ponsi, Marathon, Asai Mate, Sport Ahin Sudan, Saide. Lapen Bangso Amayalong, Eastern Emfielder Motorcycle Club, Karbianglong Atum Penta, Alir Acham Pidunsi, Mesen Pen Pichu. Bangso Amayalong, Manpeng Kedu, Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM, Sangpi, Kache Rong Pipi Chitong Dunsi, Vidi Sore Pidun Anparta, Hengpi Arong Setami, Di Tekan. Tangte, Pini Amay Aputak Alam So Cheng Henta Pendration Terang Dili Report, the Lady Side News.
Environment Day. Alam masih tong long, tapi masa program kita pun. Rongagora, KSA, Branch, Atu, Penko, Lapu, Ceratu nalang itu, Range, Upisar, Langli Cimbai, Ronghang, Pentengok, itu boleh stop. Atum kedoan, Lapen KSA. Atau peduli kedoan, lapen ladang kita perlu itu melong rombong di itu support chairman, ngomong terus nak kehai, lapen butuh dah kita perlu itu melong lapan blok DTC chairman, langsung terang nak kehai, lapen rombong di town committee mate municipal board. Chairman, Sonaram Terang Kahai, Lapen Bukhot Kulit Tumalong, Ningarong Melo, Alangli, Binong Terang, Binong Terang Kahai, Alangli Pan Ladang, Nini Tomlo Budo, itu Karbiya Somar Lo, Ladak Student of the Pan, Lahai Bekitan, Binini Lahai, Apakah Alang. Alang liladang doklung apa mas buat kulit kemalong dan Rongagora High School along retired headmaster alang li borake hai pentenglam assistant tum kedoan lapen ladang kepa baikkan chips atum kedoan lapen member satu kedoan, lapen ada sudah marathon race, lapan sualong dua cepat ni, atum kedoan, lapen kehai itu kedoan, kedua tempat ini ninggarong pen, nang tempat dilihin pen, suri ninggar sama kakak pajero kalau.
Pon pen, lalu akhirnya pilih, lalu tu maksud tak non kiturmi awe, tumpah nang itu keja pon thek pada nang itu tumpah ningan klong pen akhirnya pilih. So putih alam nang itu mahin pen ningan si bikon coji matang te aku putot kirang tu je pantan nang itu kita matang kondolong.
Nilitum lada KSA Rongagora branch tumpen last month pen hage chingwai tame ilitum annually ki bi phansi itum matha bomlo enge chingmai bomlo enge pineng ta participants from all over Assam Tinsukia pendami Guwahati pendami enge Roha pendadu enge even from the twin district pendadu itum Karbi Anglong pendadu tame all over Assam pen participants tu lehlo nilitum muneng ta ki bi phansi matha bomlo
tentu nama company bang lagi World Environment Day laso se paceton pon di pini bang ke next ke bang thuji tami laso World Environment Day laso along se paceton nun jima mata ani ka prek lason hot pon tami claim pon
lalo nilitum ke forest department staff pot la World Environment Day se paceton nun po anpar ke pini marathon kam sapling distribution lo thengpia claim ta ron lo penangan nearly about 2000 saplings ron lo dak local rong sordom on the wrong lo school students on the wrong lo and participants do an kawe an tumanta itum rondun krai long lo so kalang lo muneng ta itum aspot kaprek ta hais tami itum la pastorik 5th June annually kibi phansi itum mathabom lo enke mu wangbom hutami itum claim I phansi itum chingwai bom lo enge forest department hin tami itum staff tumi itum la KSA Rongagora branch tumi nang cherap dun lo engke lason support dolote itum ta ki claim I phan mathapon bompo engke support dolote claim ita joy ki
Katsa Bukazan LA Committee atong pensidami World Environment Day arani paceton dunsi Bethesda English School lapen Matri Vidyalaya School along theng pia klim ke asai ke klempo bangso theng pia klim ke asai along Katsa Bukazan LA Committee along Maipi Bhushon Inki Financial Secretary Robinson Teron Administrative Secretary Anilson Rongpi lapen Bethesda English School along Principal Deepak Sharma lapen Matri Vidyalaya School Principal Narayan Pitri lapen Lo Charlie Osomar atumpen Chelang Petsi theng pia klim dipon lapen lason asai kideng ponapot mate Bethesda English School along Katsa Bukazan LA Committee atum lason ajai mek nang kedeng ponapot suri akiro kajo kasi Bethesda English School Principal Deepak Sharma pen Churopon Rongagora pen Anilson Rong Birupo Paletic Side News.
Good afternoon everyone, and today in this occasion of World Environment Day, I thank our Bukazan Katsa LA to come and lead us in this way. And today the day is to plant trees and to save the trees. Not only today, but we have to save the trees for every time. And if the tree is not there, then we may suffer from many things. And this tree only gives us oxygen, and we have to save tree. And we have to how much we can plant the tree, it's better for us. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and each and everyone. So we, the Bukazan LA Committee, Katsa, so we came over here at Bethesda School, English School at Deopani. So on behalf of World Environment Day, that is today, so we came here to save the trees and for the lives of human beings. So we gathered here to plant some nursery trees here. So this message is from our Katsa team that we request each and every one person to save the trees, and they should not cut the trees, so that we should save trees and save the earth. So thank you very much.
Today, since it is 5th June, so I like to wish everyone World Environment Day, and I like to thank Katsa Bukazan LA team for coming and taking the initiative over here, planting the trees and helping us. So thank you very much for your initiative, and I just want to give a message to everyone that plants are very essential for human being, for their life. So we should take an initiative not to cut trees and to plant as much as tree we can. So that is a message to everyone. Thank you very much.